He don't want to leave you alone.
Whoa! It's our last day in Bohol today, and the weather is really nice. Is hot dog breakfast, Filipino hot dog breakfast. You mean the Ganeshos?
Yeah.
And some watermelon juice. Yeah, it's looking very good today. See you later.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye, pool as well. We're gonna do some snorkeling now. Hopefully see some fish. But yeah, let's see what we can find out there. Currently raining. It's on and off rain at the moment. Got burnt earlier because we didn't have any like cream. And then I bought some for £10.
A small one.
The smallest sunscreen for £10. That was a bargain. We're heading to the farm now.
Yeah. Catch fish for lunch.
Oh, try and catch a fish anyway.
And then what
Let's see how that goes.
Stroke some rabbits and guinea pigs. Maybe feed them.
South Farm, shut up.
Oh, South Farm. That's a jeepney, by the way.
Jeepney?
Yeah, you've never been on one. This is a jeepney. This is a form of public transport here in the Philippines. Normally they've got
Let's go back
like when you pay,
to the
you just have
Hatfield.
to like hand your money down to like people. If you're sitting down there, you just like, can you pass this on? And then the driver would like be driving. He's got like cash here, and then he'd give the change and
Yeah.
pass it. It's really cool.
It's a way of life.
How are you finding it?
Finding it where? Here.
Yeah, the jeepney.
It's rocky.
The jeepney experience.
Yeah. I mean, we are off-road really, to be honest. I mean, it's not crowded.
Huh?
It's not as crowded as it was when you were on the main road.
Yeah. I don't know where you are at the moment.
What's the QR code? Is that the map?
I think so. I'll take a picture of it anyway.
Yeah. Farmer's Village. This is the Farmer's Village. It's my village, do you know?
Oh, dragon fruit. That's what the thing looks like. I love dragon fruit. Oh, this is fluffy.
Oh, what is happening here?
Oh,
What is going on?
hello.
They're all fighting for it.
You got your one as well. Look. Oh, they're so cute.
The small one. You want some? I could just feed these animals all day, to be honest. Quite peaceful, isn't it?
And the music as well is relaxing.
Yeah. What do you think of this?
I love this. It's a dream.
And they're just chilling. It's quite nice, isn't it?
Hey,
You
look.
want more? You want more?
Yeah.
At least they all get fed, really.
Yeah.
They just want.
Oh. Oh, they are so cute. Oh. Isa lang po. Actually, may ano.
Tulak lang po na. Tulak lang po.
Tulak.
Whoa. Whoa. They're all up on you. You're the bird lady. You don't like that?
I don't know. Can you take the ball, please?
What?
Can you take the ball?
Why?
So you can try it. Don't drop it.
I'm trying to get it. How can I get it? This is so weird. Whoa. Hello. I love this. They're eating my feet.
Hello! Hello, birdies!
They're
Careful.
giving me pedicure right now.
On your foot. Don't step on them.
I'm not.
Oh my god.
There's no more birds. Hello, birds. They're like pinching me.
Just put the coconut bowl down so that they would go there. Don't drop it though.
I'm not dropping it.
Just like
Where can I put it?
just drop it on the just go like that. So that they can go there. And then they'll leave.
Why is it going for me? They're getting sand or something.
Probably. They don't want to leave you alone. Looks like you're gonna stay here.
I'm getting a pedicure. That's what it is.
They all just want to go to you.
Why do you want me?
They don't care about the bowl now.
What have I got?
Sand, probably.
Ow! You nicked it. How can I get away from them?
Just lift your foot up slowly. Oh, don't step on them.
I'm trying not to drink them. The camera.
Yeah.
This is the life, isn't it? All the birds. That was a good experience though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Did you not like it?
It was a bit strange.
Yeah, they're like claws.
Yeah.
I think I'm getting used to it, but they're all just stuck on my feet. What do you want from my feet?
They love your shoes. There's something there that they love.
What's so good about my feet?
It probably is sand.
Yeah. Maybe do they eat sand?
Or they eat like rocks and things.
Oh, you're digging into me. It must be good for my feet though. I'm stuck in here. What did it? At least they're cleaning my sandals and everything. So that's good.
I used to have these kinds of
It's very nice. Thank you for cleaning my shoes. It's very good. Thank you. They didn't even want the seeds.
It was on your head. Okay, let's go.
Oh, hello, birds. Whoa. Thanks for cleaning my sandals. Very nice of you. See you later. Some experience.
They love the chewing.
It's just like the pricks like pricking you with the claws. Is that what Pak Choi says?
Yeah, they call it pechai here.
Puchai. Celery. It's very nice farm.
We got spring on there.
How are you doing?
Massive
catfish. Nubian goat.
Hello, my friends.
What are you?
Oh, look at the baby
All the
goat.
goats. Hello goats. What are you looking for? Are you looking for some food?
Oh, don't.
Oh, hello goat.
Don't come out, please.
He wants food.
You know they jump, right?
They all want food. That one wants everything.
That one, that's mine. Pull it off. The baby.
It's fighting for it. This one just munches through everything. Ready for the next victims.
Yeah. Ella, come on, who's gonna feed us next?
Yeah, they're massive though, aren't they, those goats?
Yeah. Those are big ones. He just took it right off me.
Well, they don't mess around, do they? I'll feed them. I get a nice hefty branch just for these people. Here you go. Here's your food.
That's
Is that good? Hope it tastes nice. Have some of this.
these ones.
You want food?
Oh, this little one here.
This one?
And this one.
See you later. Bye. Just said bye to me.
Bye.
They just said bye. Fisherman's village. We're cooking and eating it while fishing it.
We're fishing it and then they'll cook it for us.
Are you excited to fish?
Yeah. I never fished before.
I fished before, but I didn't catch anything big. Whoa! That didn't take long. It didn't take long.
Get it.
Hold the bags, please.
Put it out a bit further.
Are you the fishing expert now?
That good?
Yeah, it's good. It doesn't take long to catch.
Long 20 seconds.
Yeah, it took you. How do you feel catching your own fish?
That was
First fish.
cool. It was very cool. I've never
Didn't take
been
long,
fishing.
did it?
And how you pull it up.
185 ang kilo, ma'am.
Okay pa.
So ito lang, ma'am, nasa mga 500 grams.
Okay.
200 grams.
So it's gonna get barbecued, I guess, or
Yeah.
wherever they cook it.
Or fried. I don't know.
Yeah.
Should be good though. May barbecue po. Maybe
Meron. Ay, barbecue.
Ihaw.
Ihaw.
Kilo timay.
500.
Ay, meron kayong garlic rice?
Meron po.
Ayun.
Oh,
Ang platter pang kasya na sa amin yun.
2 liter.
Ay. Sige, platter na.
Platter.
We rescued the duck in it. It's gone now.
hi Doc. How are you doing, Doc? Are you okay?
It knows I have a duck. Well,
Does it?
I had a duck.
Does it do that?
I don't know.
Is that what it does? It
Just-
stares at people when they've had a duck.
I'm just making up. Hello.
That one's super chilled. So yeah, this is the fish that Eric has bought. So we're going to be eating this fish, and we got some garlic rice there. And how do you feel about eating
It's
a
so
fish
good,
like this?
isn't it? We caught it ourselves.
You caught this one,
Yeah.
and you're going to be tasting this one.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah. Nice and fresh. Okay.
Good.
Tasty and
Yeah.
fresh.
Tastes nice. But yeah, we got a good view here. We're going to eat this. Try this now. Flavors. Lots of nice flavors in that.
All of this was for 530 pesos, and then we paid the guy that caught fish like 130 pesos or something like that, because it depends on the weight of the fish, and it was only like 130.
It's pretty good then, isn't
That's
it?
so cheap. I highly recommend this
Yeah.
place. If you're going to Bohol, Panglao, go to South Farm. It's amazing.
Yeah, it's an amazing place, and it's
Yeah.
cheaper to eat here than it is to buy
You get to
the
see-
sun cream that I got.
You get to feed the animals as well, so that's really good. And the animals look like they're pretty happy.
Yeah,
Like, some of
there's
them-
lots of nice animals here.
Some of them just like roam around freely, and it's quite.
It's just us then. To the airport. In the airport now and waiting for our flight. When is our flight? 2 hours away? Probably?
Yeah, so like 10:30.
Yeah,
I
we're
think
waiting.
boarding's at like 9:55.
Yeah.
I guess we can just walk around a bit.
But yeah, it's been a good trip, hasn't it? A very good trip. Lots of things to do in Bohol.
There's
Yeah,
more we
we're
haven't
good.
done. I'll have to come back to the other part of Bohol.
Well, yeah, we did a lot anyway. So
Yeah.
we made the most of the trip.
Go back to the city.